In this presentation, we will look at creating roles and permissions. OPSCOM gives system owners and administrators the ability to set up roles that will grant or restrict access to information and features within OPSCOM. Roles are a group of permissions that are bundled and assigned to a set of users. For example, you may wish to create a role for Patrol Officer. You will set the permissions for this role and assign users to the role of Patrol Officer when you like to grant them permission that match the job. Users can be assigned multiple roles. There are two menu options on the System Config menu, Manage Roles and Edit Admin Users. Let's click the Manage Roles button to begin. The Manage Administrator Roles screen appears. OPSCOM has some standard roles pre-populated that can be edited to match your business rules. Click the Permissions button to edit the permission for any role. The Editing Permissions screen will display. Notice the icons on each tab correspond with the menu icons. It makes sense that if you wish to give an admin permissions to use a feature in a specific menu stack, you should go to the corresponding tab to apply the permission. Click on any icon to display the permissions in that category. We are looking at a primary admin role. This role will allow you to create new roles and assign them to other admin users. It is typically the highest role in OPSCOM with full access to all features and functions. The number next to the icon across the top bar indicates how many permissions in that category have been selected for this role. To add a new role, click the Add New Role button. On this screen, we are able to enter the role name and a description for that role. The description will become the tooltip that displays when you mouse over the Edit Role button of an existing role. Click Save Role to complete this process. Now let's add some permissions to the role. As you can see, there are specific permissions we would select to fit a Patrol Officer's role. For example, Display as Ticket Writer gives the officer permission to use the OPSCOM for Android, the tablet software used in enforcement. To select a permission, enable the checkbox next to that permission. Once you have gone through each tab and selected all the permissions that are required for the role, click Save Permissions. The Patrol Officer role is now created and can be assigned to one or more users. Remember, all staff should have their own user profile and have roles assigned to them based on their job description. Username and password information should never be shared among staff members doing the same job. It is important to note that admin users cannot be deleted, as they are or may be associated to past transactions. However, they can and should be made inactive in the case where someone leaves the organization.